For this hairstyle, we're taking a French braid and we are rolling it under to create a seamless, elegant updo. So you're going to take the hair at the top of your head and you're going to section it out into 3 parts to start the 3-strand braid. And then as you move down your head, you're going to add pieces in from the side to create the French braid. Once you braid all the way down to the bottom of your hair, you're going to tie that off with an elastic. I sped it up here so that you can just see the entire process all at once. I recommend tying off with a small clear elastic or a very small skinny elastic because it helps to hide the elastic later on in the hairstyle. And instead of pulling the hair all the way through at the end, I left it pulled halfway through so that it's easier to tuck the end of the hair under as well and it doesn't stick out as much. So you can see the little loop right there. Once you have your hair all tied up, you're going to take it and roll it under itself like a cinnamon roll, and you're going to tuck it underneath the little gap between the braid and the back of your neck. And then you're going to take as many bobby pins as you desire or want to make the hairstyle feel as secure as possible. And I find that they work best when you pin them horizontally or parallel to the floor because you pin them through the braid, but you can do the bobby pins however you want. That feels. Then once you are confident with the security of your hairstyle, this is the final product from all angles. And I also did a shake test here so that you can see how secure this hairstyle is. It looks a little silly, but it gets the job done. So that is the final updo.